Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Jimin BTS mini idol doll. So let's get started. To draw this cute idol doll of Jimin, let's first start by drawing his face. So I'm going to come right here and draw a very wide bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right across. Bow right here, nice and wide. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. There, the wide bottom of U. And then let's come back to where we started and we're going to draw his eyes. So these are slightly different. I'm start right here at the edge and we're going to draw a slight curve, kind of at a slant. So let's do the same thing over here. So say about right here, and a slight slant. And then we're going to come in between right here and draw a curve underneath that slant. And then at the bottom we're going to lightly put a little curve right here to finish it off. So same thing on this side, right in here, draw a curve. And at the bottom, lightly draw a curve to end it. So then I'm going to come to the edge right here and just bring in a little curve on the edges. There. And then let's now, to make them draw so cute eyes, let's come in here with two small circles at an angle and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So if you've been following me, you know I'm always testing out different ways to draw these eyes. So hopefully one day I'll figure one out that I really like and stick with it. Okay, so right here, same thing. And if you love these BTS mini idol dolls, I've drawn another one of, the first one I drew was of Jungkook, so please check that out if you love BTS. And I've also drawn all of the BTS members, so please check out that playlist as well. Okay, so I have the eyes in. Now let's come above the eyes and we're going to come right, say about here. And I'm just going to draw a soft curve over the eye. Also kind of a slight slant. So about right here. I'm going to thicken it up. There. And then right in between, let's draw his mouth for Sweet Jimin, right? So come right here. Curve and cap it off. So now that we're done with that, let's come to the outside right here where we started around the eye and we're going to draw his ears. So just draw a curve and let's come in here for some details. One curve and another one that comes right down there. So same thing over here, just basically where the eyes are. So right here, curve and another curve. Now let's draw his awesome hair. So I'm going to bring this up a tiny bit more. And then we're going to imagine this as an oval. So I'm just going to say about right here. I'll give myself a point. And from here, I'm going to start to draw his bangs. So let's start with this point, and we're going to come down close to his eyebrow and draw one strand that comes up. And then let's draw another strand right here. And just tuck it in. And then on this side, let's see here. Let's draw from this point, we're going to come out, up, bring it down, past his eyebrow, and then we're going to bring it back up, and come right back to our point. And before I forget, I'm going to come right in here and tuck in the curve. Okay, so now that we have that part in, let's come down and we're going to draw some more strands right here. So say about right here, I'm going to come down, draw a curve close to his eyebrow, come out, past his ear, and just flick it up. I'm just going to come in here and finish off this curve for his head. And then let's see here, let's bring this in for one strand. And let's come back up now to where we started. So imagine his hairline is parting right here. So let's bring a little curve about right there, and we're going to go up on this side and then come down. So we're just going to draw the hair on this side, about right here, bring out a curve, come in, bring out another curve, and come in. Okay, so then let's come in here and we're just going to draw some lines to finish off our hair. Connect it and here as well. Just taper it off. Okay, so then in this area, we're just going to draw a curve to finish off the rest of his hair. So then on this side, we're just gonna maybe draw a curve here and just a little strand, finish it off. And in this area, come down and connect. So the reason why it's kind of flat is because we still have to draw his cap. So let's come about right here. So imagine this is his head, come up a little bit outwards. I'm going to draw a curve on both sides. So same thing where his head is, his face, come out a little bit. And then we're just going to draw this curve that comes up and towards the center. It's going to be the highest point, about right here, and then start coming down back to where you have this point. So I've drawn the cap right here. I'm just going to come in here for some details. There. So that is basically it for his head. So cute, right? Okay, so now let's draw his body. We're going to come right in the center and we're going to draw a little V right underneath. And then we're going to start to come out right here and draw his shoulders. And let's draw his collar. So from this V area, I'm going to draw a curve and bring it in. Curve and bring it in. And then right underneath here, we're going to draw another V. And then let's kind of imagine his armpit's going to be about right here on both sides. Right there. And we're going to draw a slight angle line. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down a little bit more. I'm going to work on this bottom part first, and then about right here, I'm going to round it off. Come back in here. And I'm just going to wobble a curve across. From there, I'm going to start to draw his pants. I'm going to come straight down the middle and say about right here. Give myself some amount of space. I'm going to start to draw his legs. So from that center point, I'm going to draw two angle lines. And then right here, let's bring in a curve. So we're going to start to draw his pants. Bring this down more. So we're getting thinner as we come down here. So say about that much. I'm going to go ahead and connect it. And then let's draw his shoes. So come out right here, pop out a curve. Straighter curve on this side and just go ahead and connect it. So same thing here. Curve. Bigger curve and connect. And then let's see here. Let's draw some details on his shoes. So I'm going to come right here, follow the bottom, and then a curve right here. There. Okay. And then let's come for some details right here in the center. We're going to draw two lines and some pockets. And then he has this cut out right here. So in about in this area where his knee would be, I'm just going to draw a little cut out. Curve, line, There. And now let's go ahead and finish off his sweater. So I'm going to bring his arms down. About right there. Come down more. And it's going to come out about right here. So I'm going to come down and round it off. And connect. And then right here, let's draw his thumb. One thumb and the finger. Come out and connect. And at the back right here, you can draw another little thumb. So same thing over here, but this side is going to go out a little bit, so it's more outstretched. So I'm just going to bring this out. If you're not comfortable drawing it this way, you can just do the same thing on this side. But let's try this. Let's come out. About right here. And go ahead and connect. And let's once again, about right here towards the edge, his thumb and finger. And once again, very lightly, another finger. This one's a little bit too low. It should just be a little portion right there. I'll fix that in the computer when I color it. And now to draw some details on his sweater, I'm going to come right here under his collar, right to the center, and draw this V shape that's on his sweater. And the center has some color here, so I'm going to try my best. There, so when you color it, you'll see, when I color it, you'll see it a little better. And then for some details on the sleeve, let's cut this off right here. And then he has some stripes right here. So since I'm using a Sharpie, go ahead and make some stripes that way, and then about right here, so I'll cut off, and the stripes go vertically. There. So same thing on this side. So once again, about right here. And let's see, that is pretty much it for my version of little Jimin. Oh, let's add a little heart right here. I forgot. Ta-da! Now he's my Draw So Cute Jimin BTS mini doll. Hope you love this one just as much as my Jungkook one. And thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.